Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete archive messages on Facebook Messenger app. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna be opening your Facebook Messenger app, and from there just log in with your account. Once you do it, you'll be over here in this particular platform. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on your top left corner to these three lines, and over here you'll be having archive. So just go over here and you'll be seeing the archive messages. So just choose whom you want to delete. So I'm going to choose this one, and by pressing on it you'll be having option like this. Choose delete as you want to delete, and then just press on delete, and then that's how you're gonna do it. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.